We didn't have sex no more. So much.
We didn't have a lot of bad experience. Swiss people are really for their own. Really, maybe like this. Hi, I'm Larissa and I'm from Switzerland and I'm a teacher, a primary teacher for 3rd and 4th grade.
Hi, I'm Silva. I'm also from Switzerland too and I'm a carpenter. No, we planned this trip I think for 4 or 5 years ago. So we have time to save money and build the camper van for this trip.
Before that we had another camper, a Dealer, and then one of his dreams was to make a camper on his own. So we bought this Sprinter as an ambulance, and then he rebuilt it, yes, as a camper. Yeah, we started in Switzerland and then we crossed 15 countries. After Switzerland we went to Germany, then Austria, Slovenia, Croatia, Montenegro, Albania, Greece.
Kosovo.
Oh yes, Kosovo. Then after Bulgaria we went to Turkey, Georgia, Armenia, Iran. Now we are in Pakistan and we are going to India and then Nepal as well.
Before we have a trip also to the south of Europe, so we know these countries, but the new countries here and they are different and new for us.
Yes, and for me I wanted to do a world trip to see other cultures, to meet new people, to see their lands and countries. And I think definitely I saw so many things, I met so many people. It was worth it, really. Yes. And it's a good trip. Pakistan, for me. And
Pakistan, Iran too.
But we visited Iran just for 6 days. We crossed it really fast, so we didn't see a lot. Like the shops opens when the people want to open the shops, and in Switzerland all is like in time, and also the police controls are here for us as tourists much harder. Like every 15 kilometers they stop us and they want to know where are we from, what are we doing. And so also the food is really different to Switzerland, but the people are really nice here.
Yeah, also the people with the friendly and helpful.
And the hospitality here is much bigger than Switzerland. Because in Switzerland everyone is hiding themselves at home and they will not invite foreigners to their homes, really. Or not a lot of people. No. Some would do it. The school system is different.
The rules on the road.
Yes, there are no rules.
The landscape are also different in the south, so the desert in Iran or here, so we saw that the first time. Mm-hmm. And the mountains are very high here. But
yeah, we have also mountains, but here they are much bigger. It was quite impressive to see them.
And we eat here barbecue, rice, kebab,
a lot of rice dishes, yes, biryani,
yes.
That was nice, and pakora, samosa,
Fachari. Wie ist das so?
Chapati.
Chapati.
The bread chapati.
Chapati.
And
chai.
oh yeah, we drank a lot of chai.
Green tea.
And to all the dishes there is yogurt. But for our stomach, I think it's not so good, the yogurt. Yes, but the food tastes really well. It's so delicious, really. There are no rules.
Yeah, there are no rules. So there is a sign 40 speed limit, and then we can drive 100, and the police overpass us. And the trucks are so big, overloading.
Overloaded, mostly.
Yes. And also with peoples in the back, so it's much different. Because in Europe or also in Switzerland there are strict rules, and here you can drive
as you wish.
As you wish. For me, are the people here in Pakistan really special. Everywhere we came on a new place, they are friendly and helpful, and we are everywhere welcome. Different are here are not so many tourists, so they are really a little bit special.
I liked the north part with the mountains and also the Honsa Valley. It was really clean there, so not a lot of trash on the floor, what was nice. And the mountain scenery was nice there, and we saw a glacier. And I liked Peshawar because there I visited a school, and I really liked the vibe there. It was a small school with small classes, and they really made the best out of them what they had. So yes, it will always be a good remember, Peshawar. And Islamabad I like also because it's really organized. And we met some good people here too. So yes, Islamabad is also nice.